Excel is the most popular data tool in the world. We all use it. But if you want to move from a basic analyst to a high-paid data professional in 2026, you need to upgrade your skills. You need a tool that handles millions of rows without crashing and builds reports that update themselves. That tool is Microsoft Power BI. It's not about replacing Excel, it's about supercharging it. In this video, I'm going to show you why adding Power BI to your resume is the smartest career move you can make. So, how are they different? Think of Excel as your calculator. It is perfect for quick math and organizing data. But Power BI, it is your visual engine. It connects to the data you already have, in Excel, SQL, or the web, and turns it into interactive stories. Imagine presenting to your boss. Instead of scrolling through 500 rows of a spreadsheet, you show them this. One screen. All the answers. That is the power of business intelligence. Why should an Excel user learn Power BI? 3 massive advantages. Number 1. It handles big data. Excel starts to slow down after 100,000 rows. Power BI can handle 10 million rows effortlessly. It is built for the age of big data. Number 2. Interaction. In Excel, charts are often static. In Power BI, everything talks to each other. Click one bar, and the whole dashboard filters instantly. Number 3. Automation. This is the game changer. Instead of manually updating reports every Monday, you build it once in Power BI, and it refreshes automatically. You save hours of work. Now, let's talk career growth. Because Power BI solves complex business problems, companies pay a premium for it. In India, adding Power BI to your Excel skills can bump your starting salary to 6 lakhs or more. Experienced developers often earn over 15 lakhs. It is the skill that separates the data entry jobs from the data strategy jobs. The best part? If you know Excel, you are already halfway there. Power BI uses a formula language called DAX, which is very similar to Excel formulas. You can download Power BI Desktop for free today. Here is your plan. First, download the tool. Second, import your Excel data. Third, build your first dashboard. I have linked the free download below. Subscribe to upgrade your career.